We finally got our first egg. Our $3,000 egg right there. These are training eggs here. You're right. Oh, here's two of the trainers. So there's 4 training. Doesn't feel soft, but it is tiny.
Ooh,
That's a pretty egg.
that's gorgeous.
Ignore my dirty hands and my Band-Aid. That is nice.
It's speckled.
That was cool. Which one of you was it? Was it you, Plymouth? The small one?
I doubt it. It is small though, but that's normal. Whose egg is this? It feels really cold too. I'm pretty sure it was BBC.
Don't let them eat it.